When we started conforming the social network, Premiere integrates so perfectly with After Effects. It was as simple as taking an EDL from one application, putting it into another application, relinking the media. It opens up in After Effects and matches our original offline perfectly. It all starts in Final Cut. We have a sequence that I've prepared here, which is the sequence where they're in a lecture hall and then they go outside and they talk to these three there. So this is the sequence that I'm trying to turn over. So I'm going to output this EDL, which I will call that. I'm going to create my DPX media. So if I open this shot up, I have the first frame of that shot, which will then go into my After Effects conform. Alright, so now that we have our onlining media created, so we can actually bring that into Premiere. So I'm gonna make a new Premiere project. I'm gonna be bringing in my EDL here into Premiere directly. So just drag and drop. And once we save that, we then have the ability to import that into After Effects. And if I look at that, it shows the entirety of my timeline, but just in the After Effects environment. I'm using this third-party plugin with After Effects called Immigration, which allows me to batch relink all the clips in my Finder and just basically swap them out. And because of the fact that After Effects CS5 is now 64-bit, we can do longer RAM previews and play back everything in real time. So it's not just on a shot-by-shot basis, we're actually looking at the entire timeline that I've just conformed here. So I'm not just looking at how this shot plays by itself, but how it integrates with the other shots. One of the coolest parts about working on the social network is the fact that all my peers that I can actually now tell how I worked on this movie, the faces that they give me when I tell them that I've conformed on After Effects, they're just blown away. They see this timeline with 400 layers. They're just astonished that we're doing a feature film on this $1,700 application.